bienvenue, c'est la Modéliste, and I'm so glad that you are back here in my channel. For today's video, we are going to learn how to create the twisted halter top. To those who are new to my channel, this tutorial is a very quick and easy tutorial, and it's so easy to follow. So what are you waiting for? Get your materials ready, and let's get this tutorial started. To start off, prepare a sufficient amount of pattern paper for the front pattern drafting. Next, prepare your 1-dart front bodice and place it onto your paper to trace. While tracing your front bodice, do not forget to include the chest line, bust line, the dart legs, and the bust point. Next, redraw the neckline by marking down 1 inch, following its shape. And this is the new neckline. Next, from the center front at the neckline, mark in 2 4/8 inches. From the underarm at the side seam, mark down 1 inch. Next, let's connect these 2 marks to fully create our halter neckline. To get the perfect shape for the halter, use a curve ruler and draw your desired shape. From the tip of the shoulder, draw a line towards the bust point. From the line at the halter neckline, mark out 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch. From this mark, draw another line towards the bust point. This is for the contour. Next, get the half measurement of the neckline and mark in the half measurement. From this mark, draw a line towards the bust point. Next, cut out the halter top pattern from your paper. Next, slash one of the dart legs towards the bust point, but do not slash beyond. Next, slash one of the lines of the contour towards the bust point, but do not slash beyond. Next, close the contour permanently and tape it in place. If you encounter a halter neckline like this while contouring, just simply draw and blend the halter neckline with a ruler to reshape. Next, slash the line at the neckline towards the bust point, but do not slash beyond. Next, close the waist dart permanently and tape it in place. And now we have pivoted the waist dart at the neckline. Next, get a sufficient amount of pattern paper twice the length of the bodice. Next, fold the paper in half. Next, place the halter top pattern right exactly on the fold of the paper. Specifically, place the neckline with the dart on the fold like so. Place your pattern weights on top of the pattern and trace the halter top. And this is the final halter top pattern. As you can see, I've used the chest and bust lines as my notch references. Next, put your desired sewing allowance at the center front and at the side seam. And cut out the pattern from your paper. Next, blend the sharp edge of the halter using a ruler. And cut out the sharp edge. And do not forget to mark the notch references at the center front. And draw the grain line indication from the center front. Next, get a sufficient amount of pattern paper for the back pattern. For the back, I will use my back torso block, but I will only trace it until the waist. Since I did not trace the second dart, I will transfer its value to my main dart. Next, get your front halter top pattern, place it on the side seam of the back bodice and follow its measurement for accuracy. Next, cut through the princess line of the back bodice and close the main back dart of the back bodice permanently. And tape it in place. From the waist at the center back, mark up 6 inches or 15.2 centimeters. Next, connect the marks from the side seam and the center back by drawing the back neckline. From the center back at the back neckline, mark in 2/8 of an inch. From this mark, draw a line blending towards the waist. Next, cut out the back pattern from your paper. And put your desired sewing allowances on your pattern. And draw the grain line indication from the center back. For the front halter top pattern, I use a lightweight silk fabric. Right next to the grain line of the fabric, this is where I'm going to place my front halter top pattern and cut my pattern on my fabric. I have also marked the important sewing notches at the center front. For the tie closure of the halter top, I have pre-cut it on my silk fabric. The width of the tie closure is 6 inches or 15.2 centimeters, and the length is about 72 inches or 2 meters. For the back pattern, I have used a Duchess sateen fabric since it's heavyweight. And place my pattern on the fabric and cut it in place. For the front halter piece, simply fold it lengthwise facing right side to right side together and match the sewing notch references at the center front. I'm going to start sewing right exactly at the chest sewing notch to leave a hole. And this is the halter top with a hole on the neckline. This is where I'm going to insert the tie closure. Next, combine the back pieces to the halter top piece, sewing at the side seams. I have also sewn a zipper at the center back to test out my toile or mock-up. And lastly, I'm going to insert the tie closure in the hole that we did earlier for the top. This will make the halter top twisted. As you can see, I am styling the folds to achieve the look that I want. Et voila! So this is my twisted halter top mock-up. This is the front. These are the side views. And this is the back with the tie closure and zipper. Anyway guys, I hope this tutorial gave you enough tips on how to create the twisted halter top. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you super like this video, please give me a super thanks. And if you are not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, La Modéliste, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, please follow me on my Facebook page called La Modéliste. And I will see you guys again on the next tutorial. A biento!